Born on a galaxy like I'm trying to balance things. Memories, childish dreams always seem to challenge me. I'm out of it like pouting teens. I'm drowning things with a brownish spleen, searching through this fallacy. Prowess seems naturally like a missing part that's found and bleeds. I'm like Craig and Day-Day, looking for rent. I'm crooked and split with the book and the gift, rhyming. What you know about timing? I told you before, I'm timeless. With a mind and a grind with blinded life that's timeless. Life gets grinded and sighted when the sight gets enlightened by the trident. My lips, my clips, my fire, hydrant. Yo, every planet I reach, I'm ending them. They're dead, lives filled, I'm fleeing. An alien, but a person no less, I'm seasoned like St. Francis, slugging Aesop Rock. They rhyme say the Grays got blocked, and Gray spot rocks like they stay on lock. Like targets laid in block, laid on long like I stay on strong, with a frame on lock. When I spray armed cars, stay on strong. Play cricket with your cranium. I'm on mind screwing and binge. I'm mind screwing my friends so the mind screwing ends. I'm live shooting chips like Samuel, Tron, and Flynn. I'm the res like Samuel's friends that spawn. Yo, I got manual gifts with Glocks. Annual spliffs get popped like tangible scripts that's lost. I rip and tick the floss like dental dams. Yo, shit gets lost.